Minnesota, the culture here, it's you give people room to, in a way you mind your own business, right? You're not always in somebody else's face. If somebody's doing something, let them live their life. Great. But if they need help, we run to help. We truly believe that we are a community and that we rely on each other and that we owe it to each other to protect each other. And if there are external forces that we need to stand against in order to support each other, then that's what we're going to do, even if it's 40 below outside. All right, so kind of a typical day at Laser Lakes. Come in, sit down, check emails, and make sure my communications are where they need to be, make sure my customers are happy. Looks like we have an email from Kate from Lotus Lakes Gifts, who's one of my newest retail partners. Says they are sold out of the Minnesota stone ornaments, so they're asking for us to make some more and put some of those together for her and get those over to her, keep her happy, and it's just exciting that people are interested in the ornament. That's exciting for me. My output, workflow, income, all of it has increased dramatically since I got my OneLaser Hydra 16. It takes me about 2 days to make the same amount of product as it took me about a week to make previously. My product is higher quality. I have new capabilities. I can do finer detail engraving and cutting with this laser than I could with previous systems. This year, I'll probably be at least double what I did last year business-wise. And I got my OneLaser last year, and last year was double what the year was before. So, I mean, it's very significant. This laser paid for itself 3 times over in a period of like 5-6 months last year. So before I bought the Hydra 16, I was working with a 130 watt laser, a little bit smaller from a different brand. It was not very reliable. It struggled with consistency, and so I had to redo a lot of my products. That changed when I bought the OneLaser. The benefits that drew me to OneLaser was the high build quality, the dual laser system, which is really cool, the larger size, which allowed me to work on larger projects, and just the consistency. And then I spoke with Murph at OneLaser, and I basically said, hey Murph, I've got this project. I run a fair amount. It currently takes me 2 hours. Can I send the file to you and you can tell me what it can be done with your system? What can I actually expect? And he was willing to do it when other laser manufacturers were not willing to take that file on. So the fact that OneLaser was able to, had the confidence to say, yeah, we'll do it. We'll show you exactly what it's going to take. That was a big deal to me. Some of the key factors that had me choose OneLaser over other brands, the dual layer system, that was pretty freaking cool. I mean, RF, I've been curious about RF, the fact that I could have RF and glass tube in the same box, and the price was, I think this laser turned out to be close to 1/3 the price of another laser system that I was looking at. I was able to get it more quickly. The delivery time was a big deal, and I had kind of worn out my other laser, so having it sooner so I could get back up and producing, that was good. And it seemed that the company was making the laser with the right approach. They wanted a new product that was high quality that they could bring to the market for new customers. I've had 0 issues as far as quality. A couple times I had a technical issue where it was just more of something where I just didn't quite understand, and the support was immediate and to my full satisfaction. So I wouldn't hesitate. I think if you take that leap, you're really gonna feel a significant benefit real quick. The build quality and reliability on my OneLaser is the best I've ever had on the laser. It is solid. All the little details, the panels, the cover, the Z-rods, the bed is heavy duty. It's cool. The bed's got these 2 little divots, I guess. They're little spots that lock that bed in place, so the bed's not sliding around anywhere. I haven't seen any other laser manufacturer do that. Just little things like that make a big difference. I am fully confident that this machine is going to be rock solid for many years to come. If another maker were on the fence about investing in a machine like this, whether it's a Hydra 16 or just OneLaser in general, I would say go for it. I have no hesitation in recommending. In fact, I bought a second one because I believe so much in OneLaser, and I put it in the hands of somebody who's never used a laser before, and she is just rocking.